Hey guys, can you solve 3 minus 9, 20 divided by 10? 3 minus 9 equals minus 6 and 20 divided by 10, right? Okay, minus 6 and 20 divided by 10 equals 2. Now here is multiply. Minus 6 times 2 equals minus 12. But this is wrong. Why it is wrong? Because the parentheses must be done before addition and subtraction and multiplication and division. Multiplication and division must be done after parentheses and exponent. Then addition and subtraction after multiplication and division, right? So follow the order of operations. We use PEMDAS rule. Okay, 3 minus 9 equals minus 6, right? But parentheses first. So inside the parentheses, 20 divided by 10 equals 2. Now here is multiply. Multiplication and division must be done after parentheses, right? So multiply first. 3 minus 9 times 2 equals 18. Now 3 minus 18 minus 15.